How to fix Roblox not launching? So let's fix it. Open up Task Manager, scroll down and search for Roblox. If it's running in background means you need to end the task of Roblox. Search it and click it and end the task. Once complete after the next step, search for settings, click app settings, click installed app, scroll down and search for Roblox. Here we are going to uninstall the Roblox. Click the three dot icon on the right hand side and uninstall it. Once uninstall complete after, come back, search for run, type the following text percentage local app data percentage. In this step, we are going to delete the Roblox files. Type it correctly and click enter. Scroll down and search for Roblox folder. Click it and delete it. Wait for a couple of seconds to delete completely. Once complete after, close it and come back. Now we are going to download the Roblox again. Go to the official website of Roblox and download it. You have seen the roblox.com/download is that. Click it and download. Click download Windows. For specific device, you can download it and install.